Hey guys, Tokyo Man here. Just heading home after a fairly busy day of work. Not a whole lot going on. Pretty nice day today. It was like about 18 degrees or so. So that's making the ride home super enjoyable. Temperature is perfect. It's very nice. Yeah, starting tomorrow again, Tokyo will declare the new state of emergency again, forcing the businesses like restaurants and stuff like that to shut down early. It's getting tiresome. It's like we got out of the last one just 2 weeks ago. Nice Beamer. So anyways, that's that. And show off. Nice bike though. Is that a McLaren? Week and a half I'm gonna start a new job. Same company, same building, just gonna be in a different department. I'm pretty excited over that, and more money, so that's pretty sweet. So yeah, starting a new job, week and a half, and it's gonna be better money and everything, so it's pretty exciting and easier as well apparently. And hopefully I'll be able to save a little extra money for mods, future mods on my bike. Because I'm gonna take care of the dental work on the bike soon. It's like a really light little dings I have on my front fender. It's been annoying me since I bought it, but should be if I found a place I can do it, like the paintless dent removal, then it should not be too expensive to fix. But the big one after that will be doing the cam upgrades. So I'm gonna go for stage 2 cam upgrade on the bike. Again, since I bought the bike, like where the cam where the cams are on the engine, after the bike warms up, like let's say 30 seconds or so, it starts to squeak. It's kind of been like that since I bought it. Mechanic said, one mechanic said it was normal, but I don't really believe it. And I'm hoping the cam upgrade with new bearings and new cam plate and all that good stuff will fix the annoying issue. You can hear the squeak in my videos. It's like kind of that loud. It has not affected the reliability or anything. It's just, I don't know, annoying, and I'd like to get to the bottom of it. So yeah, that stage 2 upgrade, I'm thinking yeah, go with a Screaming Eagle cam plate, and I'm still wondering exactly what cam I'm gonna use. Nothing crazy. I'm not aiming for a huge power. I'd like a power increase, but you know, I don't rev the engine that much, so I want extra power at low RPM. That's kind of what I'm gunning for. So anyway, and probably gonna have the mechanic also check the top end, like the rockers and stuff, and put in some new push rods, and make sure everything is fine and dandy on the bike, you know, top and bottom. So yeah, it's gonna be a pricey upgrade, but it's gonna give you peace of mind as well. So that's my next big project after I take care of the things on the bike. And also coming September, I have what they call in Japan the shaken, which is like an inspection you have to do on the bike every 2 years. It's a pain in the ass, and I have to unmodify the bike to make it pass. So I have to put the stock mufflers back on, put the pillion seat back on, and a few other stuff as well. So not looking forward to that, especially swapping the slip-ons back to stock, because that was a pain in the ass. So yeah, that's the plans for the bike in the hopefully near future. Still researching, and also that freaking Popo, man. It's proper annoying. Also want to thank you guys. I know it sounds kind of stupid, but I'm at like 31 subscribers right now, which is really not a whole lot, but it's increasing. So even though I've been pretty lazy, not posting videos often, the subscriber count went up, so thank you guys for that. And I will find time and energy to make more videos. I'm gonna do another bike walk around video soon, just to showcase, show you guys the newest upgrades I have done on the bike, and how it looks and stuff. Not to show off or anything, it's just inspire you guys. You know, if you do have like a fat boy of the same years or style, you want to mod it, then I can hopefully give you guys some good ideas. So far I'm pretty happy on how the bike looks. Even the guys at Harley-Davidson said my bike looks pretty cool. That's got a nice comment from the mechanic and the salesman. Also, I had test ridden recently the Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special, which was pretty cool. Sadly, the video had no audio, which really sucks, but that was a really nice bike. And I'm gonna shut up now because there's a Popo right in front of me, and drive really slow. Don't like the Popo on the bikes. They're cocky as hell, and yeah, they like pulling people over. Of those too, eh? So yeah, we're gonna drive really slow. Don't feel like getting pulled over today at all. That would be a big inconvenience. And I saw another one pulling. What's going on today? noisy here. Let's ride slow and avoid any unwanted attention. Nothing to see here, nothing to see. Not sure where he went though. Thought I would have cut him up by now. There is something happening on the other side. Cool. So yeah guys, if you like the video and want to support me and my channel, please like the video, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and I will do my very darn best to bring out some more content. And I have tons of Popos now again. What is going on? Must be bored or need to make money. Alright, so nobody's on my tail. Good. Honestly, the bike is still maybe a little bit too loud for Japanese standards, but it's a Harley. So expected for a Harley to be sort of loud, eh? So is that one Popo? I don't know. Yeah, it is one Popo. They must be looking for someone or something. They see a sort of car or bike or whatever that fits their description of the whatever suspect they're looking for, then they'll start chasing. I don't know, maybe it's something like that. Something happened.